Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use map method in JavaScript, and here I have two examples. The first example with number and the second example with some names and strings. Okay, so basically the map method is used to create a new array by applying a function, which is a callback function, to each element of an array, and then it basically does not change the original array, but it returns a new brand array. So it gives you a new brand array or a new brand version of the original array. So for example, here in the first example, I have this doubling, this example. So basically what I want to do here is I want to create another array which is doubled, for example, and I want to apply or transform the items that we have here in numbers. I want to multiply this by 2. So how we can do that in JavaScript? So we can do that by using the map method. So let me show you how we can do that. So here I'm going to declare a new array. I'm going to call this doubled, like this. Then I will use the numbers array. Then I will apply the map method, and here I will take each element and I will multiply this by 2, just like this. So here we have a callback function and a row function that we use to apply whatever we want. So here I want to take each item of numbers array and I want to multiply each item by 2. So if I come here and I will console log the array doubled here, so I will come here and say node map.js. As you can see, we got doubled array, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is how we can use map in JavaScript. Basically, it's really simple. Now let's come to the second example, and here I have written greeting, and what I want to do here is I want to create a custom greeting array for each. So I want to take each name here and return or create a new array where I have greeting. Okay, so let's do that. Let's create a new array called greeting, like this. Let me just take this one, and here let me just say greeting, and then here I will take names and then apply the map method, and here for each name, okay, I will use a callback function, and then I will use the backticks or the string literal. Okay, then I will say hello, then I will use the variable name inside my string literal. So I will use the name here, and here we go. Now I'm going to console log greeting array, as you can see here. So here we will have like hello Luna, hello John, hello Jane, hello Doe. So if I'm going just to comment this first console, so that we can see only the second example. And as you can see, we got hello Luna, hello John, hello Jane, hello Doe. So it's a very simple way to transform and return a new brand version of an array. So this is how you can use map in JavaScript. Basically, it's very easy and very super useful method. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.